Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to refund in Wish application. Wish allows you to request a refund within 30 days of delivery if you are not satisfied with your order. So here's how you can initiate a refund through the Wish application. First of all, open the Wish app from your app drawer and make sure that you are signed into your account. From the main home page of Wish, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Now in the next page, tap on Your Orders. Search through your order history and identify the specific item you wish to return for a refund. Once you find the item, tap on it to view the details, and there should be an option for refund or replace item. Select the option to proceed with the return process and follow through the instructions in order to get a refund in Wish application. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.